Tired of overpriced, low-margin dropshipping? Discover how TeamDrop helps you import factory-direct products from China's biggest marketplaces without coding and without middlemen. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, as stated, welcome back to the channel. I'd like to introduce you to what is known as TeamDrop. And you guys can see right here, we got tech with ease, team with delete. I like that. Simple one-step fulfillment system, AI intelligent product sourcing, standardized warehousing, fast, stable, and reliable shipping. All right. So I want you guys to understand whenever it comes to TeamDrop, you guys, this is extremely important, especially nowadays. There's a lot of things that they have to offer. So just go ahead and break it down for you. You guys can see right here, we got 1 million plus users, 100 million plus sales annually. We got over 12,000 square meters, right? That's the warehouse space. Then we even have, let's say, 100 plus shipping lines. That is incredible, you guys. So technically, I want you guys to understand, you're going to be able to gain access to millions of unique products directly from what is known as 1688 and Taobao. We're talking about the two largest Chinese marketplaces. Now, TeamDrop, it eliminates costly middlemen like AliExpress, and it gives you factory level prices, you guys. That right there is unheard of. So you guys are probably thinking, why would you want to be part of TeamDrop? Well, listen, this is literally a one-on-one support from a dedicated manager, you guys. No middleman. So technically, every user is matched with a personal sourcing manager for hands-on help from finding suppliers, vetting quality, overseeing logistics, to boosting profitability. And you guys, something that is important here is that there is no bots, literally just real people ensuring smooth operations, okay? And that is what we need here. And you guys can see right here that technically TeamDrop, I mean, it devotes 127% to securing flawless support throughout the drop shipping process, you guys. Something else that's kind of cool about TeamDrop, you guys, is the fact that you can actually connect your Shopify store with zero coding, okay? You literally just paste your access token and you are set literally within under, let's say, 5 minutes, okay? Now, orders, they actually sync in real time, inventory updates automatically, and fulfillment runs on autopilot, you guys, okay? So you guys can see right here, there's a big difference between using and not using TeamDrop. Okay, very important you guys understand that. All right, you guys will see right here, we got endless trending products, we got hyperscale infrastructure, we even have risk-free global expansion, we even have world-class support. Okay, so you guys need to understand, obviously, whenever it comes to stuff like this, especially drop shipping prices, I mean, that's what matters, right? So technically, you guys, there's lower prices, which means higher profits. So because TeamDrop sources directly from Chinese factories, you benefit from lower pricing than platforms like AliExpress, as I briefly mentioned before. Plus, the AI engine compares supplier offers and it ensures you're getting the best deals. So AI-powered product sourcing, I mean, this is becoming big, all right? Whenever it comes to TeamDrop's AI, it matches you with reliable suppliers, as I briefly mentioned, okay? Not to mention, you guys, it finds trending products and it validates competitive pricing, saving you time and effort. Now, the support, you guys, I mean, it's custom, right? They have custom product printing, enabling, let's say personalized designs. Not only that, but branded merchandise. And they do this all at a scale, okay, which is good. So if you guys are interested, I will go ahead and tell you right now. You go up here to what is known as services. They got that wholesale, they got drop shipping, they got the Shopify, they got Amazon, and then they even have affiliate. And you guys will see right here, if you click on how it works, I mean, you guys, this thing is super fast. So they do have fast global shipping, actually. So you can enjoy 5 to 10 day delivery to major countries, giving your customers a fast, reliable shipping experience. But I also want you guys to understand, there is literally no subscription fee. So you can actually get started with 0 monthly charges. It offers a full platform, right? So you have full platform access with no reoccurring subscription cost, all right? So if you guys would like to get started, as stated, you can check up right up here. We have what is known as pricing. That's going to be very important. Not only that, but you guys can even go into their dashboard. Okay, so technically I have already signed up. You guys can see right here, source products directly from 1688 and Taobao at factory prices. And you guys will just kind of see right here, perfect example. Okay, so this is like stuffed toys. You can go over here to Taobao and you guys will see that they have more things to offer as well, right? Products. And you guys can see, obviously, we got pricing as mentioned. Okay, so that's actually pretty cool, you guys. So remember, you guys, I mean, e-commerce, drop shipping, top of the line. You can even go over here. You got store products, you got bundle products, you got three. You even have packaging products, right? You got packaging connection, you got packing stock. Over here, you got carts, okay? You've got purchase order, sample order, stock order. You've got after sale, you got authorized store, and then obviously you got your dashboard, okay? So you guys, I mean, you can dive down and check out a lot of this different stuff, right? You can go through everything just so you guys can see exactly how the dashboard looks like, right? So, which is pretty important, right? So obviously, just go through this, you know, a lot of different things that you can actually do here. So then we even have like an after sales stuff like that, which is actually pretty cool. And obviously the official dashboard and stuff. Okay, so a lot of things you can do here. I'm gonna highly recommend you guys dive down in TeamDrop, check out all the products. That's what you want to do. Click up here, check out all the products. You have all these different categories: furniture, beauty, health, toys, games, right? Luggage, bags, shoes, accessories, plus size clothing, pet supplies, right? Look at all this, you guys. There's so much. You can just kind of click on any of these if you want. There you guys have it. All right, check it out. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, if you will, please let me know, what did you think about TeamDrop? Please be sure to leave a comment down below. Not only that, be sure to check out the link in the description. And also, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.